Dageho, I'm Liam Lee. I'm from Taiwan, and I'm studying business management finance. I'm representing for Taiwan chapter at Brigham Young University, Hawaii. Taiwan is well known as a kingdom of food. In Taiwan, it is hard that only eat 3 meals a day because Taiwanese dishes just too delicious. So today we're gonna introduce you 2 Taiwanese dishes. So first is Danzai Noodle, aka Taiwanese ramen. Danzai Noodle has been ranked as the most recommended Taiwanese food for many years. The history of Danzai Noodle goes way back around Qing Dynasty. It's not just a food, it's a heritage of our culture. So the second item is bubble drink. Bubble drink is most common drink in Taiwan. As a Taiwanese, we have bubble drinks in our blood. We usually drink every day. But not only Taiwanese love bubble drink. People of all the world loves bubble drink. Now you can even get it from Foodland, Long Drugs, or every market. You can get bubble drink from there. So today we will make these 2 items. I hope you guys enjoy the show, and please like the video and join Taiwan Club.
Hi, ni hao. My name is Jeannie and I'm from Taiwan. I'm part of the Taiwan Club. So my major is in hospitality and tourism management, and this is my last year in BYU Hawaii.
Hello, ni hao. My name is Emily. I'm from Taiwan as well. And this is my 3rd year in the school, and my major is art education.
So today we're going to teach you how to make the traditional Taiwan dish. It's called Danzai Noodle. So these are all the ingredients we have. So we can start with the soup base. So we need 5 pieces of shrimps and the Chinese noodles and the fried red onions and the bean sprouts. And for the braised pork, we need some pork belly and eggs, fried tofu, and some soy sauce, chopped onions, salted shrimp, and dried mushrooms. So this will be the red onion, fried red onion looks like if you go to Tamura's or Foodland. And these are the Chinese noodles. It looks like this. And the salted shrimps, it's like a smaller pieces in the water. And soy sauce and the fried tofu.
Okay, so right now I'm gonna kind of explain the process of how to make these things. So we will start from the soup base. So first we will peel the shrimp, and don't forget to leave the shrimp shell because we're gonna save it for later. And so for the part, we're gonna add some oil inside, and then we will put the shrimp shell inside and just kind of cook it for a little. And then we will add the fried red onion. And when it's about to cook, we can put some salt and we can add some water for the soup. And then after that, we will just take all the shrimp shell, everything out, just leave for the soup. And that's will be how to make the soup, and the soup is done. Alright, so right now we will start for the braised pork part. So first, you will add some oil. We will put the onion inside and also the salted shrimp. So for these ingredients, it depends on you. If you add this, it adds more flavor, but if you can find this one, it's totally fine as well. And after we cook the onion, we will add the dried mushroom. But for this one, just remember you have to put it into water to let it soft, and then we will cut into pieces, and then we will add it inside with the onion as well. And after we cook it, we can add the pork, and then cook until it's done, and then we can add some ingredients like soy sauce and some salt, and then just cook until it have like the color on the pork. And after that, we can put it on inside the pot here. And also we can put the fried tofu. And just remember, for the egg, you have to boil it and then take off the shell. And just put everything inside and then cook for about 35 to 40 minutes and just wait for it. Just for the reminder, you can actually cook everything inside the pot, but if you have a pressure cooker at home, then you can do that as well. It's kind of much easier, but it's fine. You can cook it at home only with your pot as well. So right now the pot is heated, and then we can start adding oil. We can add about 1 liter of oil. So just a little bit, it doesn't have to be a lot. So while the oil is heating up, you can starting to peel the shrimp, and just you can leave the tail and then just take off all of this. We can starting to add some fried red onions and also shrimp shell as well. When the thing inside the pot is cooked, we can start to add some water for the soup. So it just depends on how much the soup you want to drink. So we're gonna wait for the water to be boiled. So when the water is boiled, we can put the shrimp inside to kind of cook the shrimp. So when the shrimp is cooked, we will just pull the soup out. And we can also add some salt if you want your soup to be a little bit flavored. And our soup is done.
So right now she is cooking the braised pork, and the first step is you pouring some oil inside the pot. It's about 1 liter of the oil. And until the oil is heating up, you put the chopped onions inside. And then after the onion is kind of cooked, you put the dried mushroom inside. And before you put the you chop the mushroom, you have to put in the water so it will be soaked and soft. So after the mushroom, you put the salted shrimp inside. After everything is cooked, you pour the pork belly into the pot. So after everything is done and the pork belly is about half done, you pour the soy sauce inside. It's about 1 cup of the soy sauce. So after all of this process, you pour the water, like it's about maybe 3 cups of the water, and you put the boiled eggs and the fried tofu inside. The temperature will be medium hot, but you have to be careful if you are cooking on the stove. You have to check if the water is still inside or it will burn. If you cook at home, you're using the stove, it will be cooked about for 30 minutes. And if you put in the crock pot, it will be 20 minutes or to 30 minutes and it will be done. Okay, right now everything is cooked, and we already have the soup base inside the bowl because we used the colander to take everything out except for the soup. And right now we just put the noodles inside in the middle. And then we put some braised pork on the top of the noodles. And we put the shrimp eggs that was cooked with the braised pork and the fried tofu.
Alright, so right now our danzai noodle is ready and I'm gonna try it. So we can take a little bit noodles. So it's really good. The pork is so soft, and because the fried tofu is inside the pork for a long time, so there's a lot of flavor inside as well. And also let me try the shrimp. It's awesome. Oh, the soup is awesome as well. You can taste the shrimp inside, and also there's some fried onions, fried red onions flavor inside as well. So you can make it at home. So you can try it really simple way and takes the Taiwanese styles danzai noodle.
Okay, right now I'm going to explain how do you cook this bubble drink at home, and it's everyone's favorite drink. And first you need to get 3 ml of the milk and brown sugar. You probably need like a cup, like a big cup of the brown sugar, and you need some tapioca. You can all buy all of them at Tamura's. They sell all of this stuff. And you prepare a pot of water. After it boils, you put the tapioca inside, and until it's like about 5 minutes, and it will be done. And you put some water out in the sink, and then you put the brown sugar inside and cook until it's a little bit sticky. And you can prepare a glass and pour the cooked tapioca inside. And then you roll the glass. And then after that, you pour your milk. And then it will be done. So I'm going to try the bubble drink. So before you drink it, you actually have to mix it a little bit so all the sugar can come up to the top. And it's really good because the boba is chewy and really sweet. So if you like it really, really sweet, you can put some more sugar inside. But if you want to just less sweet, you can put a little bit less sugar. So you can adjust the sugar, depends on how sweet you like it. Yeah, it's really good. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you can enjoy this dish at home and you can cook by your own. So please tag us if you make this dish on your social media and tag BYUH Food Fest. And thank you, 谢谢，拜拜。